"25 years ago, Harvard University economics professor Dr. Michael Porter started thinking, what if he took some of his approaches to elevating businesses and applied them to America's inner cities? Dr. Porter noted that a significant amount of the U.S. population lived in America's inner cities, and that a high percentage of those residents were living below the poverty line. Dr. Porter created the Initiative for Competitive Inner Cities, or ICIC, to help businesses establish themselves, grow, and thrive in our inner cities and now other under-resourced communities. The residents of under-resourced communities make up 14% of the U.S. population, but also 31% of the nation's poor. Taken together, the nation's under-resourced communities have a poverty rate of 29%. That's more than double the 13% poverty rate of the nation as a whole. Cities with populations of 250,000 or more are home to 51% of poor residents. Dr. Porter says, we must stop trying to cure the inner city's problems by perpetually increasing social investment and hoping for economic activity to follow. Instead, we need to identify and leverage the competitive advantages of inner cities. Every year, for the last 25 years, the ICIC has honored the 100 fastest growing companies in these under-resourced communities from across the entire nation. Businesses that are successfully making investments that make economic sense in low-income communities. Talan Products is a world-class contract manufacturer specializing in high-volume metal stampings, fabricated aluminum extrusions, and assemblies. Based in Cleveland, Ohio, the company offers exceptional opportunities for its team members, many of whom reside in the surrounding neighborhoods. Talan often promotes from within and gives every team member a chance to grow within the company. The owners of the company are dedicated to manufacturing in the U.S. and have invested and reinvested in equipment and people, all working from one location in Cleveland's Collinwood neighborhood. Over the company's 38-year history, it has achieved an 18.6% compound annual growth rate, which has consistently classified Talan Products as a high-growth company. Talan Products is proud to announce that they have been honored as an Inner City 100 Award winner for 2023. This is the 7th win for Talan Products, who is recognized as an ICIC Hall of Fame member. The owners of Talan Products are indeed proud of this recognition by the ICIC, and note that their investment in their workforce, infrastructure, and the building of a positive culture is what has led to their continual growth. As Talan Products looks to the future, they expect to maintain their trend of positive growth in their Cleveland neighborhood home. If you'd like more information on Talan Products, check out our website, www.talanproducts.com.